Very recently, a client of ours approached us asking for insurance advice. They wanted to know that if they need a cover of 4 crores, should they buy one term insurance policy or should they split it across 4 insurance policies? Because they were worried that what if their insurance policy gets rejected? Well, this is a concern that we've observed that many people have. So if you're wondering that if you should buy one term insurance policy or split it across multiple policies, watch this video. Hi there, namaste. This is Akriti Agarwal from Wealth Cafe, where we help you make smarter money decisions. So first thing first, when it comes to term insurance, one, it is a very important insurance. It ensures that your family is financially taken care of in case of your untimely death. And second, you must get insurance beforehand because no one is going to give you insurance on your deathbed. And the third thing, which my client was worried about, of insurance being repudiated or rejected, where you disclose all the things honestly in your proposal form. When you're getting the insurance, it is very, very rare that the insurance would get rejected. Hence, we say that when you're filling your insurance form, even if you smoke or drink occasionally, please disclose that. If your parents or your family have a history of diabetes, blood pressure, or any other health concern, please disclose that. If your agent is filling the form for you, ensure that they are filling it correctly. Now, coming to the point of whether you should have multiple policies for this reason, then of course not, because whether you have one policy or multiple policies, if you disclose everything honestly, you don't need to do that. In fact, the process of filing multiple policies and doing the paperwork and keeping a track of it and also handing it over to your beneficiaries is a very tedious process. And then second thing is that we get insurance for our families after we are gone. So if you have multiple insurance policies, one, they have to deal with things emotionally, and second, they will have to run around with various insurance companies to get the claim. It will just make the process more complicated and tiresome for them. And the third thing is that you pay a higher premium when you opt for multiple insurance policies. Basically, you lose out on certain discounts that you get when you go for a larger sum insured. We took an example from HDFC Life Insurance that if a 30-year-old person went for an insurance cover of 4 crore rupees, then the premium that they have to pay is 3,683 rupees monthly. But if the same 4 crore cover was split into 1 crore insurance policy amongst 4 insurance companies, then they would have to pay 11% extra for premium. You can see this very clearly in the table here, right? So, well, it makes sense to go for one larger sum assured policy. But there are certain exceptions to this advice, that where you have multiple nominees, say you want to leave a certain sum assured behind for your mother and certain for your wife or your spouse, then you have 2 insurance policies with each of them as beneficiaries in 2 different policies. Well, I have personally done the same. Second, what happens is as your life passes by, right? So we generally get insurance when we're younger, we are single, but when we get married and have children, our insurance needs increases. And at that point of time, you may want to take another insurance policy to top up your existing cover. So apart from these 2 situations, we don't see any other reason for you to have multiple insurance policies, because you're just messing your insurance portfolio rather than taking care of your insurance needs. So in the end, we would only say that insurance is very, very important, but also the right amount of insurance. So if you have a friend or a family member who has not yet gotten an insurance or is probably wondering what to do about their insurance, then please do share this video with them. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We shall come to you every Wednesdays and Saturdays with freshly brewed content only from Wealth Cafe.